Traditional tastes. Dive into Irish Colcannon. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are journeying to the beautiful land of Ireland to explore a popular and traditional dish, Colcannon. Have you ever heard of it? Whether you're familiar or new to this dish, we'll unravel its history, ingredients, and cultural significance. Colcannon is a classic Irish dish made primarily of mashed potatoes and cabbage or kale. It's creamy, buttery, and often infused with other ingredients like green onions, leeks, or chives. Imagine a comforting bowl of mashed potatoes, but elevated with the rich flavors and textures of greens. The origins of Colcannon date back hundreds of years. The name itself comes from the Irish term, cabbage, which means white-headed cabbage. In olden days, potatoes and cabbage were staple foods in Ireland, making this dish not only delicious but also economical. Over the years, regional variations emerged, incorporating different greens or added ingredients, but the core essence of Colcannon has always been its simple, rustic charm. Colcannon is more than just a dish, it's a piece of Irish culture. Traditionally, it was served on Halloween. Tokens or coins were hidden inside the dish, and it was believed that finding them would bring luck. Colcannon also inspired poetry and songs, symbolizing Irish domestic life and traditions. If you wish to taste a bit of Ireland in your kitchen, making Colcannon is easy. Here's a basic recipe. 1. Boil potatoes until soft and mash them. 2. Sauté your choice of greens, cabbage, kale, and green onions in butter until tender. 3. Mix the greens with the mashed potatoes. Add some more butter, salt, and pepper for flavor. 4. Serve hot, and enjoy the creamy goodness. There you have it, the delightful world of Colcannon. We hope you're inspired to explore more about Irish cuisine and maybe even try making this comforting dish. Remember, food is a fantastic way to connect with a culture. Until next time, happy learning and happy eating.